I choose the bubble sort. First, compare the first value with the second value. If the first value is more than the second value, change the location of them. If not, we don't do anything. And then, compare the second value with the third value. If the second value is more than the third value, change the location of them. If not, we don't do anything. After that, we need to compare the third value with the fourth value, the first value with the fifth value, up to the value of the second to last. It results that the end of the array is the maximum. That's the first term. For the second term, we need to return to the first value and compare it with the second value. If the first value is more than the second value, change the location of them. If not, we don't do anything. And then continue to compare the second value with the third value, the third value with the fourth value, and up to the value of third to last. It results that the second maximum is located in the second to last of the array. For the third term, for the fifth term, for the fourth term, for the fifth term, we repeat the process like the first term and the second term. After the sort, it results that the first place is the minimum of the array, and the end of the array is the maximum. That's my programming. First, we need to create a random array. And this one is the main programming of the sort. The first sentence, for I is equal to 0, I is less than 7, I plus plus, is the terms is the turn to compare. The second sentence, j is equal to 0. J is less than 7 minus I. J plus plus. That's the times. That's how many times in one turn. We need to compare. The third sentence, if array j is more than array j plus 1, we need to compare the primary value with the next value. If the primary value is more than the next value, we need to transfer the value of the primary location into an empty variable, and then transfer the value of the next location into the primary one. In the end, transfer the value of the empty variable into the next location. In the last of the programming, We need to output the result after the sort like this.